My name's Joe Biden. I'm a Democrat. And I love John McCain. The way I look at it, the way I thought about it, was that I always thought of John as a brother. We had a hell of a lot of family fights. Look, I've been thinking this week about why John's death has hit the country so hard. I think it's because they knew John believed so deeply and so passionately in the soul of America that he made it easier for them to have confidence and faith in America. John was a hero. His character, courage, honor, integrity. But I think the thing that's understated the most is his optimism. That's what made John special. Made John a giant among all of us. To paraphrase Shakespeare, we shall not see his like again.